Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you are watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Math Class channel. So we take the mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a very simple question. It says on trigonometry, it says if sine x plus cos x is root 2, find the value of sine x multiplied by cos x. Now the first thing we do, let's remove the square root from this point. So we have that. How do we remove the square root to introduce square? So we have that sine x plus cos x, we square both sides. It's equals to root 2 all squared. So square will cancel square root. Now when we expand this, we'll have sine square x plus 2 sine x cos x plus cos square x to be equal to 2. Now the next thing we do, let's bring sine and sine square x and cos square x to one side. Sine square x plus cos square x plus 2 sine x cos x equals to 2. Now remember from your identity, sine square x or sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this becomes 1 plus 2 sine x cos x equals to 2. Now take this 1 to the other side. So this becomes 2 sine x cos x is equals to, bring this to this place, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, let me just put it 2 minus 1, which is 1. So sine 2 sine x cos x is equals to 1. Now we have what we have here is almost looking like what you have here, save for this 2 that's in front. So we divide both sides by 2. So we divide this place by 2, divide this place by 2, 2 we cancel 2. So therefore our sine x cos x is equals to 1 over 2. That's half. And that is the answer. I hope you have enjoyed today's solving. If you enjoyed the class for today and the explanation, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Math Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know miss out on wonderful content of the channel. Till meet again in the next Making Math Class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.